Hello friends, it's good to see you all again. I hope you all are fine. As you go through the topic is YouTube is better or TikTok is better. As far as my opinion is concerned, YouTube is better. YouTube holds a better position as compared to TikTok. And there are several reasons. So let's start the video. The first point through which I am saying that YouTube is better is because of education factor. Because if you want to pursue any special courses, like if you are doing CA, if you are doing CS, CMA, you are doing LLB, or if you are pursuing for UPSC, IPS examinations, or if you want to learn something better like cooking, like dancing, like singing, then the YouTube is very important for those pupils, because through YouTube you can learn all these things very easily and many of the things are free of cost. Now comes to the next point, and that is content, skills and talent. If you are a talented person, if you are having good content, then you can become a star in YouTube. But if I am talking about TikTok, the content doesn't matter at all. In TikTok, the content is needed of 20 to 30%, but in YouTube, you need 100% good content, 100% good skills, 100% good talent, then only you can become a star. There are many pupils who are working on YouTube and they are very famous. They are having millions of followers because YouTube is having international reach. YouTube is a bigger platform as compared to TikTok. YouTube has greater content as compared to TikTok. This is the reason YouTube holds a better place as compared to TikTok. Now I want to include other point as well, that is money. In YouTube, you have good earning potential because there are many ads which are coming in your videos which will give you a high earning potential. This is not true for TikTok. In TikTok, you doesn't have a good money, because even if you are having a good followers in TikTok, like you are having 10 millions, 15 millions followers, and in comparison of YouTube, if YouTube are having 15 to 10 million followers, the earning potential of YouTube is much higher. Now comes to the next point, that is the time limit. This is really a very important point, because in YouTube you are having a time limit of 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 100 minutes. You can use even 2 hours, 3 hours, even 15 hours. I have seen many videos of teaching videos which are having a timing of around 18 hours. I have gone through the video, and this is the really power of YouTube. But in TikTok, you are having a very less time duration. Many of the videos are available of 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. So this is the important point. And through this, I want to make a next point, and that is addiction. TikTok is very addictive because the people who are using TikTok, they are just scrolling the things, and they are doing scrolling and scrolling for continuously 2 to 3 hours. And what they are getting in return? Nothing, because the people who are using TikTok are spending their valuable time in effortless and valuable activities. If you spend your valuable time in YouTube, you have the power to choose the content. You have the power to choose what you want to watch. But this is not true for TikTok, because TikTok is using their method and they are just showing you unnecessary videos one by one, one by one, one by one. So this is why YouTube holds a better position, because you have the power to choose. Another point which comes in this is the time span, the attention span. The attention span of people are reducing day by day. Let's take an example. If you go around 100 years back, the people used to study, the people used to read a novel, and it takes around 2 to 3 days to complete a novel or complete a story. But then the time changes. Then comes the cinema halls. People are spending now only 3 hours to get the same knowledge, to get the same experience within 3 hours. So the attention span of people are decreasing day by day. Then comes the YouTube. The attention span has reduced to 10 to 15 minutes. And now comes TikTok. TikTok has reduced the attention span to only 15 seconds. And that is creating very negative impact on human's mind. Because if your attention span is decreasing up to that extent, then the people become very people want to learn something very new within 15 seconds. They want to see something new in every 15 seconds. This is creating very bad impact on our mind. People are becoming like, they want something new, and they becomes hopeless. They becomes like, what is going through my life? Because they become sad, they become angry if they not find good content. Now comes to the very debatable point, and that is the Carrie Minati roasting videos. Many people are supporting Carrie Minati for that roasting, but I am totally against Carrie Minati, because the words used by Carrie Minati are not good. They are abusive languages. How a person can get a right to say anything like this about any other community or any other persons? They are targeting TikTokers very badly. I have seen a case. My 2 to 3 friends who are making TikTok videos are not making any video from past 3 to 4 days, and the reason is because the people, their friends, used abusive languages to them. This is not happening in India. I can't tolerate this type of things. So I urge to stop making this type of roasting videos. And the most important point which I want to discuss in this thing is, these points are against LGBT. I am repeating again, these things are against LGBT because the transgenders are not getting equal right in India. People are seeing them from a very different perspective. The perspective of people has changed, and I can say this is not change. The perspective of pupils are damaged, and these perspectives are damaged because of these type of videos. So I don't want any people to make these type of comments, these type of videos. They don't have right to say these type of things to anyone. Now comes to a positive point of TikTok as well. TikTok is having some positive point like low setup cost. TikTok videos can be made in a very low setup cost as compared to YouTube. In YouTube, you want to have a studio or even some better equipments, but in TikTok, all you need is a mobile phone and a good camera mobile phone, of course. Other thing which is important in TikTok is any person can make TikTok videos. Any person. I can say if a person is from a low background, if a person is from village, if a person who is working in very bad environment, he can also make videos. And if the content is quite good, then he can become a star overnight. I have seen many pupils who are having millions of followers and they are just like the pupils who are earning very low wages. So this is why TikTok holds a good position as compared to YouTube. But overall perspective, YouTube is better. I have provided my feedback. Now I am waiting for your feedback in the comment box. Please comment and tell me that YouTube is better or TikTok is better. And if both are comparable or if they both are same, then please let me know.